My name is Bridgett McGowen, and what I do is I help professionals be the most engaging, dynamic, incredible communicators ever.
Bridgett's presentation was top-notch.
It was very entertaining and very useful.
It was awesome.
It's exactly what I needed. You have to see her.
What is it that the audience will know or be able to do by the time you finish rocking the microphone?
And make sure that it's always that we're always using positive terminology. One is going to be to communicate with grit. Grit stands for generosity, respect, integrity, and trust.
She does a great job and she teaches things that are actually really useful.
Her energy, her excitement, and just the way she made us feel that we can do it too.
Her presence, her attitude, her energy would be phenomenal for a company like ours.
This was a really good workshop. I'd highly recommend you bring it in or bring Bridgett into your company to work with your staff.
The work of our lives does not come in what it is we do or who it is we know, but how we demonstrate who we are by the way we connect with each other.
Not only do you want to know who is in the audience, but you also want to know how will you help them. By the time we're finished with this session, you are going to have a strategy, a sharp and smart, focused strategy for designing presentations and delivering presentations with executive presence.